Good evening, YouTube. I'm going to be changing out the yellow LED factory CVO turn signals for white halo light that blinks amber when activated. Haven't seen a video for this on YouTube specifically. Most people just have the bulbs. This is actually an LED light to start with. So we've got to get this out without... the whole idea is to try to take it off without taking the whole front fairing off. There's very little cord available, so we're going to need a punch tool or a pick tool of some kind. This is what I'm going to use. And hopefully that'll give us enough reach down in behind the bulb to release it from the wire and get it disconnected. So here we go. Let's see if we can get her done. Okay, so I do realize this is a little dark, but that's the way it is in here right now, and that's what we're going to deal with. So I'm going to try to take you through this side a little better than I did the last side. I just want to take our time working our way around, just giving this a little pry. Not too much. It'll work its way out slowly. There we go. Okay. So that's pretty well the easy part. This is where it gets a little more difficult. We gotta reach in here behind this light with very little clearance and hopefully disconnect this one. I could take all the fairing off and give myself another inch or two of space, but I like a challenge. Okay. So what we're looking for on the opposite side of the metal clip is the plastic clip. Come right down behind this plastic, follow it back, and right there is where we're looking for. So I'm kind of trying to do that blind. So I think the key is find that metal clip right there, and then we know we're going just opposite of that. So I found my metal clip is actually on the opposite side. We should. There we go. Just be able to pop it out. Left the cord there. That's where our connection goes in for the new light, which is very simple. We'll simply unwrap the new one. We'll go ahead and leave the plastic over that. So what you're going to do is take your clip and make your connection. Let's get a feel here. So it's clip side down. That's why we had trouble with that one. It was just the opposite of the other side. So you need to get your finger behind it. Give yourself something to push against. And you want to hear it click like that. You know she's seated in there good. Then we just start winding to give ourselves a little coil. And as you can see, the rubber gasket holds it right in there. We take our cap and put it right back over. And now we'll flip the switch here. definitely got the desired change. Perfect. So there we go. Didn't have to remove the front fairing. It's a little fiddly, but the key is find the metal, go across from it on the other side, put your tool right in against that metal, slide right to the edge, and push down right there on that edge, and that piece will release right out of there, and just like that, you're done. So have at it, guys. Custom Dynamics Pro Beam LED turn signals on a 2019 CVO Roadglide without removing the fairing. It can be done.